Let's move on to have a look at how you go about finding and joining groups. The first thing that I need to do is to go to the groups page and choose the find groups option. It's worthwhile saying a little bit about groups here. As was mentioned in one of the introductory videos, you can think of groups as being collaborative workspaces. You can join groups along with other members, and you can work on documents together to create group pages. You can share pages that you've produced individually with other members of the group. You can also interact through discussion forums and other channels of communication. So they're very powerful tool for networking and collaborative working. So what we're going to do is join a group that's already been set up in advance for you. It's called the Introduction to Mahara session group. So we click on the Find Groups box, and if we just type in a section of the title of the group, I'm going to search through all groups. If I click on search, the Intro to Mahara group session appears here, and I'm going to click on the button to join this group. That'll take me straight into the group home page, and you can see some of the tools that are provided for you here. This particular group has a little welcome page saying who the group administrator is, some of the pages that have been created by the group. There's a networking in Mahara page that's been added to the group. So if we click on that, we can see that there's a little bit of information in here and a demonstration about a video demonstration of how groups in Mahara actually work from another university. If I want to go back to the previous page, I can just click on the back button up here. Dummy Student 1 has submitted a page about himself and his interests, and Dummy Student 1 has also submitted a page which contains examples of his own work. Within here, along the navigation page at the top, there's access to a list of the members in the group, so we can see everybody else who's in there. There is a set of discussion forums, which hopefully you'll be able to make use of at a later date to ask questions about this session, and a list of the pages. As a member of a group, in joining the group, you can edit any of the group pages that are in there. So this is potentially a really good way of collaborative working. And there's also a files area which is managed in exactly the same way as the file manager in your individual space, except this is specific for this particular group.